Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and unblock WeChat account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for the matter, what you have to do is, first of all, you're gonna go ahead and access your WeChat on your mobile phone. Go ahead, tap on it. So the thing is that if your account was registered in the past 14 days, then you will have this option of adding your linked phone number to unblock your account. You will simply go ahead, tap on this login section, and you will enter your particular mobile number, and you will be able to access a new password for you, new code for you to unblock it. But if the linked phone number is unavailable for some reasons, then you have to wait until have passed since registration and use another phone number to unblock your account. So you have to see if your account has passed the 14 days, then you can use your previous number that you created your account with. If still the number is not available, you cannot unblock it, that you have to wait again another 14 days to pass, and then you will be able to use another number of yours to unblock it. So that is the process for you. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.